Today we're doing a very simple application whereby we use a double back press to exit our application. So over here we are using a navigation component. So in the main activity we set our navigation host fragment, right? And this host fragment has one fragment, sorry, which is named home fragment. You can name it anything you want. So over here we want to set the double back press codes in the main activity so that it will apply for all the fragments that we add in, or all the fragments to add in the navigation component. So let's start by creating a variable called backpress, private val backpress. So we set this backpress to a 0 long, right? And then we override the on backpress. And override the on backpress. So we say if the backpress is the backpress plus 200 milliseconds, which is equal to 2 seconds, is actually greater than the system.current time, then what you want to do over here is to go back super dot on back. Actually it's over here, so we delete this. Then else we'll display a toast. So with a toast we'll use an extension function. There's no need to actually use an extension function, but just because we can, let's use it to make our code a little bit nicer. So function, then specify the context. So we are doing an extension function on the context, on every context in the application, whether being it an activity or a host, an activity or a fragment, sorry. So context dot rename our function, which takes in a message of any type, message of any type. Then do the toast dot make test, pass in this, which will be our context, then the message, which will be message dot to string. Then we do our toast dot length long, then we show it as well. So we come to the main activity and say message, then we pass in our message. So we say press back to exit. We have to update this backpress to be called system.current time millisecond. So when we press the backpress button, then this backpress variable value will be updated to the system current time. Then that would enable that value plus your 2 seconds will be of course greater than this current time millisecond. Then this function would, then this if else then this if statement would be executed. So let's run the application again. So we do a back press. Then a back press. Actually, I pressed this so many times. So let's go back. So when we press it once, press back to exit. So after 2 seconds, when you press it again, it will show. And when you press it one and press it again, then it will exit.